Today, we're going to learn a Latin American lullaby called Duérmete, mi niño. So first of all, we're going to sing and clap the song. And the words are in Spanish. So you can listen and follow along by reading on the screen. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Duérmete, mi niño, duérmete, mi amor, duérmete, pedazo de mi corazón. Yay! That was so much fun. Let's sing it again. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Duérmete, mi niño, duérmete, mi amor, duérmete, pedazo de mi corazón. Yay, that was great, everybody. Now that you know all the words to the song, let's try singing it on solfege. And this one starts on mi. So let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Mi, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, ti, do. Yay! How did you do? Okay, just in case you missed something, let's try it again. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Mi, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, ti, do. Yay, good job. Okay, now that we've sung it on the lyrics and on solfege, let's learn it on the piano. All right, so let's take a look at the music for Duérmete, mi niño. So let's see, we are using notes from the F major scale. Okay, excellent. And then, remember here, this is the treble clef, the G clef, and we call it the G clef because this big swirly thing centers around this second line, which is G. All right, so let's start with our right hand, which is the top here, right? The top of the grand staff. And it says that it's an A. And it's right above the G line that we know, right? So start with our second finger, and we're gonna play that A. That's the first A above middle C. Okay? And then that's the G line, we know that one, right? Back up to A. Oh, and then that's B flat, right? So this is B, the black key here is B flat. Good. And then up to C. C again. Okay, and then up to the D above that. Back down to C. Back down to B flat. Down to A. Okay, and we know that G line, right? Excellent. We're just swimming along. Let's jump over here. Okay, that's a little bit of a jump, right? But we know that's the first C above middle C, right? So we're gonna play it with our fourth finger. And then up to D. Back down to C. And then remember B flat, A, remember that's right above that G line. And then there's the G line, treble clef G. Oh, and then it wants us to use our fourth finger. So the G is gonna be with our one finger, and then this A here that's right above it, right next to it, we're gonna squeeze and use our fourth finger, like 1 and then 4, okay? So G is 1, and then fourth finger on the A. Aha! Oh, because it makes this easier. So back to that G with our third finger now. Down to the E with our one finger. And then F with our two finger. That seems very, very doable. Let's go all the way back, all the way through just the right hand, okay? And this time we're gonna do it in rhythm. Here we go. We'll go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's A, G, A, B flat, C, C, and then D, D, C, B flat, A, and then there's the G. Okay, we're gonna jump over here, and then C with our fourth finger, C, D, C, B flat, A, down here, and then G, squeeze, A, G, E, F. 3, 4. Yay! Good job! job. Okay, friends, we're ready for the left hand now. All right, so left hand is in the bass clef. Remember the bass clef, right? We have this cool, funky looking F, right? And then the two little dots are on either side of the F line. And that's where we know that's the first F below middle C. So that's one of our notes, and then it's the A above that, right? And we're gonna use 1 and 3 with our left hand. So here's middle C, there's the F below, and there's the A. Beautiful. Okay, next. Oh, it's the same. Yay. I love it when it's the same. Okay, next line we have, oh, this is B flat. So we had F and A here, and then B flat is above that, so we're gonna swing the second finger up to it. Ah, and then just swing back down to the 1 there. Good. And then down to G, and down to F. Okay, now we're gonna pick up our whole hand and play this chord. Now, remember, when we have the notes right on top of each other like this, that means we play them at the same time. Well, these, I know this one looks a little bit funny because it's not right on top, but it actually is, because that's as close as they can get together, because you can't really squeeze them under there or they would overlap, right? So, these are all played at the same time. So, where were we? We were at the F with our third finger. Then we're gonna pick up our hand and we're gonna play these 3 notes. We have C on the top there, okay? And then we have the B flat right below that, okay? We know it's close because they're so close together. And then what's down here? That's the E below middle C, right? Oh, and what do we notice? Remember ledger lines? This is C on the ledger line above the bass staff, which makes it middle C. Yep. So that's middle C right there, and then that's the B flat right below it, and then the E below that, okay? And you'll play them all at the same time. 1, 2, and 5. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I like that. All right, let's do it together just to see if we can make that jump. So we're gonna start here again. Remember that B flat with the second finger, and then down to A with the first finger, kind of a little swing, and then down to G with the second finger again, and then F with the third finger. Okay, and then we're gonna pick up our whole hand and play this all together at the same time. C, B flat, and E. Oh, we did it. Okay, now let's come over here. C, B flat, E. Same as here, right? Awesome, I know that one. Cool. So we just pick up our hand and put it back down. And then we're gonna go to some new notes here. Now remember this, the F and the A? We did that over here, right? So we're gonna use the same 1 and 3 and jump to that F and A. Aha! And then what's this? C, B flat, E. We know that one, right? So pick up our hand and do that again. And there. Good. Okay? And then, oh, we know this one, F and A again. Aha! And then what's this? Okay, this is the bass clef F, right? And you go all the way down 1 octave, right? And that's gonna be the F below that. So, down here. And we'll play it with our 5 finger. Ready? So, F and A, and then down here. Cool! Okay, so I think the 2 hardest parts of this song are going from this chord right here to this chord. And then also going from this little line to this chord. Right? Those are a little bit tricky. So, let's try practicing them. We can go slow, and we're just gonna do this chord to this chord for now, okay? So let's find this chord. Remember that C, B flat, E on the bottom, 1, 2, 5. So we have middle C, remember the ledger line, and then the B flat, and then E. I'll play it at the same time. There we go. And then we're gonna go to that F and the A with our 1 and 3 fingers. Ready? Ah, I made that look kind of easy, huh? Let's try it again. C, B flat, and E all at the same time. And then, here we go, A on top, F on the bottom. Do we get it? Let's try it again. So, C, B flat, E. Okay. And then A and F with your 1 and 3 finger. Again. Okay. Again. It's okay if it takes you a little while to find it. I know this can be tough at first, so just keep practicing and play along with me. So we have C, B flat, E, and then A and F. And then once you get good at it, you can go faster and faster and faster and faster, 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 faster. Okay. Now that we know this pretty well, let's jump over here. So remember we had this interesting descending line, right? So we started with our second finger on the B flat, and then we went down, kind of that little swing, right? Down to the one finger on the A, and then G, and then F, right? And then from there, we kind of jumped up to that chord. And we know this chord, we practiced it a bunch of times. It's C, B flat, E, ready? At the same time. And this is kind of familiar, right? Because we had the F and the A here, going to this, over here, remember? We had that. Well, this is kind of like that, except that we don't have the A. So just the F, and then jump up to here. Kind of familiar now, right? So let's try this line again. So we have B flat, and then swing the one finger to the A, second finger G, and then F, and then the chord. Should we do it again? Let's do it again. Ready? B flat, A, G, F, and then the chord. Let's try it again. Ready? B flat, A, G, F, and then the chord. Ooh, it's getting easier, right? Let's try it again. B flat, and then swing the finger, A, G, F, chord. Excellent. One more time. Ready? B flat, A, G, F, and then the chord. Yay! Good job. So practice the right hand melody and the left hand harmony that we just did, and then we're going to put them together. So let's try it. Hands together. Okay, we don't have to worry too much about the rhythm just yet. Let's just get it all lined up, okay? So remember that. That's good and easy enough. F and A, right? And then right hand on the A. Oh, there's treble clef G. So there's the A. Good. And then G, A, B flat. Did you notice that I keep holding this down throughout this whole measure? So while I play this melody here, I'm going to hold this down all the way through until I lift my hand and play it again. All right? So let's try that. Ready? So everything at the same time. We have the F, A, and the A here. G, A, B flat, and then I'm going to lift and play it again. C, C, and then, both hands are going to do this line. So let's try it, right? So go down, and then B flat in the right hand, A. Okay, now the right hand's going to be on this G, and we go to the chord in the left hand. Got it. Okay, next, up here, and then lift, C, D, C, B flat. Jump to the F and A chord there. A. Oh, and then the funky chord again. Right, here we go. G, squeeze, A, G, E, and then remember the left hand, F, and then jump down. Yay, good job. Now that we've tried it hands together, what's the trickiest, huh? I think this whole thing right here is still the trickiest thing in this whole song. So let's try it. Let's play it together. We'll practice. So we have the D up here, and then we have the B flat down here below middle C, okay? So that's at the same time. So 5 and 2 finger. And then down one step. Ooh, a half step over here, right? And then you're gonna keep going here with the third finger and the second finger. And then an F. And then the chord. Woo! Let's try that again. So we have B flat here and D here. We'll go slow. So there we go. And then remember this finger swings down. And then this one comes down. The chord. So in the right hand, we're just coming down all our fingers, right? We're doing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the left hand, we do 2 and a little swing, right? 2, little swing, 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna jump to the chord. Let's try it again. So B flat, D up here, and then swing down on the left hand, there you go. A, and the chord. Should we do it again? Let's do it again. Ready? Ooh, one more time. Now this is how you practice, so you go ahead and practice this as many times as you like or need to make it beautifully smooth, okay? Okay, now that you've practiced and everything is beautifully smooth, let's try it hands together in rhythm. And we'll go slow this first time. Ready? I know you know where it starts. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, G, A, B flat, C, C, D, C, B, A, G, C, D, C, B flat, A, G, A, G, E, F. Jump down. Woohoo! All right, once you can play hands together in rhythm, we're gonna add the lyrics. Okay, you remember the song? We sang it earlier. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Duérmete, mi niño, duérmete, mi amor, duérmete, pedazo de mi corazón. Okay, keep playing and singing at the same time until you have it down. And now we're gonna try it on the solfege. Okay, this starts on me, remember? So let's try it. We can go a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mi, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Sol, la, sol, fa, mi, mi, re, ti, do. Yay, we did it! So today, we learned a brand new lullaby called Duérmete, mi niño. And we learned it using notation on the grand staff. So remember everyone, keep practicing all your songs and your scales, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out.